Hi guys, my name is Blue Max Gamer TV, and you know me again because you always saw me. And you know what we're doing? We're playing the same game, but this is going and something. Here we go. Not this card. Nope. Yay! Wait, I need go up. No, wait. Yes. Need that. Go. You freaked me out. So here we go. I hope I don't get on fire. Hope I don't last like a... Why you sound like two trucks in at one time? Is there another Sammy? Is there? Can I think there is? Can I say guess? No. Oh my gosh, I was not gonna crash like... Okay, there it is. Hey, you buddy, mine. And why are you crashing like buddy? Like a giant buddy that hates me. Because I'm a little kid. So, I don't understand, but see you later. What? I'm not going slower than before, but I'm better with this. I do not want to crash because this is hard to go on up. It's hard. Stop with this thing. And you'll always scrape. Stop. Phew, how did I do that? I'm so happy. So happy. I'm so happy. You're not? Well, I bet I can ramp on this part. Woohoo! I actually did it. Yay! Freedom! Freedom! Yay. Oh my! Oh my gosh! Another one, Robin. This is easy. That is so easy. It's a peasy lemon squeezy. Even though I don't want to fall, I still am gonna fall. No, please. No. Ah! That was so close. I'm so close than I thought. Wait, what? I just saw him like, bye, see you next time, buddy. Is it going so slow to the hospital? Are you dead? Wait, who hit me? Where'd he go? Oh my gosh! Like, bye! Oh my gosh! What was he doing? Oh no. Ow, why am I hit my nuts? Ow. Oh my god. See you later. Boom! Crust. See you later, alligator. I'm hated by my buddy. Like, is that my buddy? He like that. He's like, is that my buddy? Here I crushed you. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm going so weirdly. Oh my gosh, I love that part. I hate that part. I love this part when I just go just like this. What am I doing? So weird. Then I go up. Then I go down. Then I go up. Then I go down. Then I go up. Then I go down. It's confusing. Then I go up. Then I go down. Then I go up. Then I go down. What is happening? Then I go up. Then I go down. Then I go up. Then I go down. Then I go up. Then I go down. Then I go down. Then I go up. Then I go down. Then I go up. Then I go down. I just want to turn away. Bug. There's a lot of scraping, so it can totally get off. Get off already, scrapers. Get up! If you know me, I'm crazy. Oh, it makes me better to climb then. Yay, I'm so bad at climbing. I'm not doing anything, just going forwards. I'm like an elephant. Yeah, buddy. I said buddy. Boom, I see you. That's my poem. I see you. Bye, Maximilian. You're Maximilian. Didn't know. Christia first. Where'd the other guy? Wait, where did he go? Oh my gosh, he's there. What is he doing? Fun time, he crushed himself in the brain. You love myself. You know you're crushy. You know you're cussing her. Thank you for the salad. Where'd he go? But. Oh my gosh! Am I exploding that? No, no, no! Ow, ow. That was painful. I always do that. Like, boom, boom. No. I always shot. I always get shocked. I always get shocked. Don't you guys sing this? He's like, boom. See you later. Oh my gosh. What's up? Oh, thank you for the puss. I'm going in circles. I mean, you run out of speed, and I run out of anything. I run out of none things. Going backwards, going backwards, going backwards. Ow. Why are you in my way? I'm gonna just crush him. Gotta go, keep going backwards. And then 3, 2, 1, go. Go, crush him. He's going down, here he comes. Boom! Yeah, world record. It's a world record. World record, world record. If I die, I go next. If you don't die, you go next. Booyakasa! Buddy, wait, what? What did I just do to him? Oh yeah, bud. I don't know, but I can tell. You learn fast. Not that one. And stop. Here he comes up and here he comes down. Here he comes up and here he comes down. Here I go, here he comes up and here I come down. Here I come up and here I come down. Hi-ya! Oh, seriously? Ow, I was so close for hitting him. Like hitting tube. Gotta go. No. Ow. Turn. Oh, there he is. Come right into him. I come right into him. Turn. Boom! I slapped him. Okay. Nice couch you have. Until he gone. Damn, perfect, guys, perfect. Boom! Is he kind of littler? Tiniest life, so I can press him. He's going in circles. Going in circles. Running away from you. And circles are the only way to run away from people. It's like he's infected. Being crazy. He's really infected. Craziness. Perfect timing! Crush him! Aww. But it goes a long way that he's going. Oh, buddy. Seriously, he's infected. Does he seriously have to be infected? Why am I infected? He's infected. I don't know what to say anymore, but Booyakasha! I'm on fire. Booyakasha. Thanks. Don't worry about me. Thanks. What? How'd it go? What is he doing? I'm confused right now. He's going farther and farther away. Going faster and down right now. Here I come, Black Silver. Oh my god, so close, Black Silver. Black Silver, wait for me. Black Silver. Black Silver. I don't know the time for Black Silver, but not anymore, bro. Infected. You're not infected anymore. Hey, wait, what? You guys are not infected. Look at him in a pinch. Fine. Hey, I'm in a video. Stop crushing me because I'm in a video right now. Hello? Okay, I'm getting out of here. So, oh, I didn't see this. I want to go on it. Yay. Stop, 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 stop. Yes. I'm going up here. No, I'm better. Oh, no, 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 do not fall anyways. Oh my gosh, no, no, just go up. Go this way, go backwards. Wait, what? Eat it. Woohoo! Ow. I said ow right on time. Dun, 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 dun. Turn, turn, yes, go forward. He just actually almost destroyed himself. I said health, but it's self. I say health. Because you're dummy. No, I'm not. You're dummy. Just go slowly before. Like when I was alive. I just died. No, 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 no. I do not want to go off the trail. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh. No, no. Oh my. Go off. Bye. Ah, nice. Okay, that guy's not dead yet. I'm not gonna get smoked. You guys don't let him fight. He's right on this. Yeah. Oh, Eden Fire 2? Oh, yeah! I'm on fire. No, I'm not. Go, 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 go up! That's me, Max. Well, I'm Max. Oh my gosh, he's smoking. I see the smoke. Really badly, do not do that. Do not. Yeah. Scrapey. Ow, why you crush me like a nut? Okay, so I gotta jump right over. Jump right over. I got like I believe I can fla. Come down, buddy. I just want to try something. I'm gonna go so slow. I'm not. Mama, I'm going like a pirate, so. Yeah, did that blow up? Yep, it did. Here it comes in the blow up station. No, please. Blow up. I can see the smoke from all the way. Ow. I'm already damaged. Like a nut. Bye, guys. I'm not done yet, actually. Bye, guys. I'm done right now, so see you later.